Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Google Store region. First, understand that changing your region requires a valid payment method and billing address in the new location. It's crucial to ensure your new region supports the content and services you wish to access. This process helps you purchase region-specific products and services seamlessly. Be prepared for potential limitations before you begin this important update. To proceed, navigate to your Google Pay settings or directly to your Google account. Within these settings, locate the address or settings section under your payment profile. Here, you will update your home or billing address to reflect your desired new region. This step is fundamental for the system to recognize your new geographical location. Make sure all details are accurate to avoid any complications during the change. After updating your address, it's essential to verify that your new payment method and billing information are correctly saved. Please note that it might take up to 48 hours for these changes to fully propagate across all Google services. During this period, you should also check for any pending subscriptions or pre-orders, as they might be affected by the region change. Patience is key during this transition. Finally, there are a few important considerations. You can typically only change your Google Store region once every 12 months, so plan carefully. Also, be aware that your existing Google Play balance may not transfer to the new region, so consider using it up beforehand. If you encounter any issues or have specific questions, do not hesitate to contact Google support for personalized assistance. They are there to help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.